So this is how you get your data. So over here, what happened is, let me just auto fit. So we do have the salary. Salary is the calculation of all these data over here, and same so goes for the not overtime, which is only for the non-executive. But our data over here is wrong because basically it's not the sum of entire thing. We want the sum of the management. So what we do is equal link to this, equal link to this, equal be linked to this. And then after that, Control Shift down, Control Shift right, Control R. There you go. So this is basically how you calculate the staff cost. And what I want to do from here is, I want to write here total staff cost. I bold this and I paste here. So over here, I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of alternate F1. It depends on your keyboard. Sometimes it's alternate function F1 or alternate F1 only. And just like that, you have the data. But we are not year 1, year 2, year 3. So I'm going to select this, edit, and select this, Control Shift right, enter. And then you press OK. So there you go. And then after that, I'm going to press here right click, format axis, and then I'm going to put here as millions. Then I click this chart element and remove the green line, put the data label. Okay, and I'm going to cut this, go here and paste it over here. So this is our reporting. Let me expand the table, expand the chart, and I'm going to do what? I'm going to go to my annual. I'm going to press Control A. Control A means what? Highlight the entire table, select the camera. So over here we have a camera function, select the camera and go to this assumption and draw over here. So we do have these details, and then I'm going to do the same thing, put my cursor here, Control A, click the camera and then go to assumption and draw it over here. So this is the details. So you may ask me, what's the purpose of camera? If just say I go to annual and I change to a different color, just say I change this to a gold color, so you will notice it will change automatically. So I can do the same thing. I can highlight here and I click here and automatically it changes. If you don't want the grid lines, what you can do is you can go to the view and you can click on the grid lines. So right now, you just say you were to ask me how to enable this camera feature. You go to file, you click options. So if they say you don't have option, you click more, you'll click options, a box will appear. You go to quick access toolbar over here. Here it shows popular command. So if you want to enable camera, you click on all commands, scroll down. Okay, once you click all commands, what you do is scroll down. All these are in alphabetical order from the numbering to alphabet Z. So you find what? You find for CAMERA, camera. If you don't have camera over here, you press add, automatically will pop out over here, then you press OK. So the camera is like a CCTV, will capture any live data and so on. So what I'm going to do is, this is our reporting, and if they say I want to upkeep, so if just say I want to upkeep, just say I want to change the, just say the number of months bonus. So I can go to my developer, I can click insert, spin button, and I can just draw it over here, right click, and then format control. So here the cell link, I link it over here and I press enter and then I press OK. So right now you see there's no bonus. When I click this, I click this, I click this, and I click this, you'll notice the bonus changes. So this is a changing factor. So this is how we can actually prepare a staff cost report. So if they say the manager wants to know, okay, what if they say I want to reduce the bonus, or what if they say I want to increase the rate, all those things, you can actually use this Excel financial model to forecast the future transaction.